Okay. Hello everybody, welcome to your maths activity today. So it's about equivalent fractions. Now if we look at the word equivalent, it should have something a little bit familiar in it. If you look at the beginning of the word, equal sounds like something familiar, hopefully. It sounds almost like equals. So equivalent fractions are basically fractions which have the same value. So maybe it says 2 over 4, which is 2/4, but that would be the same as 1/2. So if you had 2/4 and 1/2, they would be the same, so they are equivalent. So we've got to look at the big picture here, how much is shaded, and we've got to choose the one from here which is equivalent. So I'm just going to see how much this is cut into. I'm going to pretend it's a pizza. I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is that right? I'm just going to check one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So it's 1 from 7. We've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Looks good. So 2 from 14 and 1 from 7. Is that the same? Oh, it's definitely not that one. It's more than half, and so is this one. Is that equivalent to that? Don't think so. So I'm going to go for this one.
Good job.
Yep.
1
1 over
7
7
and
and
2
2 over
14ths
14
are
are
equivalent
equivalent
fractions.
fractions.
Select the
Okay,
equivalent fraction.
so you have to look at this one, and again, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3 over 4. Maybe I'm going to write that down somewhere. And then I'm going to look at these ones. Now, I don't want you to just have a guess. Maybe you could get the right answer by just guessing, but I want you to count each of the shaded blocks, how many blocks altogether, write down the fraction, and then work out which ones are equivalent. Okay, so have a go at those. I'm going to finish that now. Yes, I'm sure this unhappy looking guy here is going to go away, hopefully. Okay, and then I'm going to go back. Wrong one, sorry. Okay, and now I've got a sheet to do here, which is not working, but hopefully that's explained enough from the first part. And if you have any questions, then you can just send me some. Okay.